Here we have the KyamRC KY 2010A. And I got the white one. There's other colors. There is a blue and black, red and black, and a green one. It is a 1/14 scale. So you'll find an instruction manual. Let's see what we got in this pack here. Screwdriver, USB charger, and then they give a lanyard to put on the controller, which we won't be putting that on. On the controller, you got your on and off switch. These are nothing, there are no buttons. It does click on the steering, but it does not click on the throttle. It's gonna require 2 AA batteries, and here is the truck. It is a manual trim there. On the bottom there, you have your on and off switch. So we get a 7.4 volt, 1200 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. Let's take a closer look at this truck. We do have independent suspension on the front, just friction shocks. And then on the back, we do have a solid axle. It's all enclosed. So let's take this off and check it out. Okay, so there is the motor for the steering. And then we have our receiver. It also comes with adjustable body mount. Very cool truck. Can't wait to charge this up and rip it around. So let's go.
So I'm gonna run this KyAM 2010A. Just gonna run it on the pavement here just to show a little bit of the speed. Obviously it's gonna be faster on the pavement than in the dirt, but I do want to take it in the dirt, see how good it runs with it being 2-wheel drive and everything. But it is proportional throttle, but yep, we have the non-proportional steering. So the only downside to it, but other than that, this thing's actually pretty quick. Let's take it in the grass, see how it does in the grass. It makes it. It struggles a little, but yeah, I wouldn't recommend driving this in the grass too much. But not a bad pavement basher, just a little pavement basher. Okay, that's it for the pavement. I want to take it out on the dirt. It's nice to get out. A few subscribers might know where I'm at. Well, we're back here at the dam, and I'm going to take you back on the trail. And I'm out of breath because this hill is not fun to climb first thing in the morning. Okay, that spot I was just at was actually not a good spot. What I noticed is the suspension in the back is a little stiff, so whenever it hits any bumps, it like bounces around and then it loses traction. I'm here on this old railroad bed where it's like a mix of low grass and some gravel. So we'll see how it handles here. Same thing. It just wants to spin out. Yeah, this just does not gain any type of traction in the dirt. It just keeps wanting to spin out. It's very hard to control. I'm not even trying to do donuts there. I'm trying to go the other way, but it just wants to spin around. I was hoping that this would run a little better in the dirt, but it seems that the place to run this is like on the macadam. So this is nothing more than a sidewalk basher that looks like an off-road basher. So yeah, this is very disappointing on the dirt. So let's get back on the macadam and finish out this battery. All right, we're back on the pavement where this thing belongs. Wow, it's even spinning out here. But it's handling much better. A little more fun to mess around with when you're, oh gosh, did not want to take that turn there. I mean, it's pretty quick. I can't believe how fast it is for the size and for the price. So that was the KyamRC 2010A. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.